It's a myth that branding is equal to advertising. Branding is equal to digital marketing. I think brand for me is the clarity on the business.
आज हमारा एक ब्रांड बताओ जो ग्लोबली नाम लेके आगे बढ़ा है. We don't have a single brand which is a global or national brand in the population of 140 crore.
मिडिल क्लास लोग बोलते हैं सेगमेंट है, सेगमेंट नहीं, मिडिल क्लास माइंडसेट है.
आज के तारीख में अगर आप ब्रांड नहीं बनाओगे तो आपका बिजनेस नहीं टिकेगा.
हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ द रैंकमैन शो. आज हमारे पास बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग गेस्ट्स हैं, स्पेशली इफ यू आर लुकिंग टू बिल्ड योर ओन बिजनेस और मेक योर बिजनेस बिगर. आई हैव ब्रांडिंग एक्सपर्ट्स Sam and Andy. Welcome to the show, Sam and Andy. Andy has been instrumental in advertising and branding for the last 20 odd years. He's worked with Star, he's worked with Aditya Birla Retail. He's also launched Renault Duster in India, and he's worked as the CSO for Grey. Sam here, he's been part of many advertising agencies, spent a lot of your time at JWT, I assume. Yes, that's JWT, and with several other ad agencies like Percept, JWT, McCann, and all of that. And they both come with a lot of industry experience, and they built too many brands. So RuPay, the ease and convenience of payment right now, he was the man behind that launch. So guys, welcome to the Rangman Show. We are so happy to have you here.
Thank
you very much, Nishan. Yeah.
So, Sam, first question to you, straight off the bat, how important is branding for a business today?
I'll give you answer in one sentence. आज के तारीख में अगर आप ब्रांड नहीं बनाओगे तो आपका बिजनेस नहीं टिकेगा. It's as simple as that, because you need to. Today we are living in a different era. It's not about I'm just doing a trading business or I'm just doing a business and I'm done. If you are not a brand, you're out. Because today consumer wants brand and not the product. So one has to understand this very quickly. Then only you will be able to succeed in the business. Yeah.
I have a point to counter Sam. I think he has used a very brutal word. If you are not into a brand, you are out. I think what we call middle India clients or upcountry clients that we said, they will say कि अरे क्या ज़रूरत है? Branding, advertising is हमारे लिए क्या ज़रूरत है? I think it's a myth that branding is equal to advertising. Branding is equal to digital marketing. I think brand for me is the clarity on the business. Business की clarity देता है. और अगर आपको पूछोगे ना branding क्या होता है ना, everything put together is branding. आपके अकाउंट्स कैसे काम करते हैं, आपके HR कैसे काम करते हैं, आप वेंडर के साथ कैसे बिहेव करते हो, आपके कस्टमर केयर काम करता है कि नहीं करता है, आपके सप्लाई चेन कैसे डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का हैंडल करता है. एवरीथिंग पुट टुगेदर इज ब्रांडिंग एंड कम्युनिकेशन इज अ वेरी स्मॉल एलिमेंट ऑफ इट which is expressed outside. Rest, it's a clarity on the business. And I will just give you an example. Almost 2 weeks back, right, we met Sagar Bhai, and he Samir writes, he's an author, so he book लिखा है brand बन से business बट से. तो he as an author he gifted that book to this Sagar Bhai, and Sagar Bhai just read on the spot. He told us कि समीर भाई, एंडी भाई, ब्रांड बन से काम बढ़ से. So you can understand the importance of brand. कि ब्रांड बन से बिजनेस बढ़ से पहले it brings in a lot of accountability. It brings in a lot of streamlining. It brings in a lot of seamlessness to the business.
So when you guys approach, जब आप जाते हो इन ब्रांड्स के पास, आपको तो बहुत डिफिकल्टी हो रही होगी पहले इनको बताने के लिए कि भाई ये आपके लिए बहुत जरूरी है. So how do you basically, what are the 3-4 pointers that you tell them that ये इसीलिए आपको ब्रांडिंग जरूरी है for your business?
See, most of the time what happens, all these brands, they are successful business guys. We can't deny that. Right. We can't teach them business because they can teach us how to do business. But in today's time, as I mentioned earlier, you need to have a brand. When we are living in the era where consumer wants a brand, that time they don't know what is missing. So for example, many brands many clients tell us, मेरा धंधा अच्छा हो रहा है, मेरा माल बिक रहा है, पर पता नहीं कुछ तो मिसिंग है. What is that missing thing? And that missing thing is what you stand for. And that is a differentiation you need to create. That's the biggest thing. They don't know. When we say that what is what is missing in your brand, which is what you stand for और आपका कहानी क्या है. That's where they get the kick. Okay, ये मेरा problem है. Because what happens, in his organization, it's a Made in India client. He's selling same product with a different story. His sales guy goes to the market and he sells with a different story. His, other distributor is selling through the different story. So, माल बिक रहा है, पर consumer को पता नहीं चल रहा है कि what I'm getting finally and why I should be using this brand and product. And that's where, they are lagging. And now that's the biggest thing which is pinching them as well. So, success is there, sale is there, turnover is there, but still they have started feeling that something is missing, and that missing thing is, what you stand for. So our first pitch is always, what you stand for. That is more important thing. Second thing, what happens, they usually think that हमको तो पता है हमको किसको बेचना है. So their segmentation and their target audience is very wide. They don't know today is the era of a persona. Today is the era of a segmentation. So we help them define the segmentation and the persona. कि तुम्हारा माल कोई भी खरीद सकता है, but you need to define your माल and your product, it is for whom. Then you are making more clarity. The way Andy said that brand is not only about creating a logo, but to having a clarity about the business. So we try and provide that clarity to people. So be it what you stand for, what kind of a segmentation, where you want to sell your product. So these are the major factor we work on.
So is it right to say then, because आपने जब weddings की बात बोली और इसकी बात बोली कि weddings कम हो रहे हैं, ये थोड़ा ये हो रहा है, तो इंडिया में एक प्राइस सेंसिटिविटी की एक चीज भी आती है कि लोग जब ब्रांड को परसीव करते हैं कि आपने तो चलो आपने ये कर दिया, तो एक बिजनेस को परसीव करते हैं कि इस बिजनेस का जैसे आपने बोला ना कि मेरा धंधा चल रहा है, मेरा ये चल रहा है, लोग क्या फिर वो प्राइस मेजर करते हैं या कैसे आप करते
हैं? निशांत, ये कैसे आप डिफाइन करोगे आपके ऊपर रहता है, राइट? ये बहुत इजी टू से इंडिया इज अ वेरी प्राइस सेंसिटिव मार्केट. We have a very different point of view. The thing is that India is a very value centric market. हम हर चीज में वैल्यू ढूंढते हैं. एंड इफ यू सी प्रैक्टिकली द लीडिंग ब्रांड इन दिस कंट्री आर प्रीमियम ब्रांड्स. अगर प्राइस सेंसिटिव होता तो सम ऑफ द बिगेस्ट रिटेल, सबसे सस्ता सबसे अच्छा, बंद नहीं होता, राइट? आई हैव वर्कड ऑन वन ऑफ द टेलीकॉम ब्रांड इन दिस कंट्री व्हिच प्रॉमिस वाज 30% every day, 30% less than the talk time that others are giving. The brand got shut down. Okay. True. So, and if you see brands that have got obsolete, brands like Nokia, brands like Kodak and this thing, agar price was the denominator, many brands would have been the leader brands in this country. It's not that case. People, India draws a value from things. So they are not against price. See, you have to take price. आपको प्राइस लेना पड़ेगा एज अ डील स्वीटनर और डील क्लिंचर. वो बंदा जब तो डिसीजन ले लेता है ना, एंड प्राइस इज दैट मोमेंट ही गेट्स द वाव. अगर वो प्राइस उसके एक्सटेंड होता है ना, स्ट्रेच होता है ना, बट ही इज कन्विंस्ड ऑफ परचेजिंग द प्रोडक्ट ना, वो बंदा वापस आके या बंदी वापस आके ना डू द पोस्ट परचेज रैशनलाइजेशन. ओके, सो हाउ यू डिफाइन प्राइस, हाउ यू क्रिएट अ वैल्यू, एंड वैल्यू इज इक्वल टू व्हाट इज वैल्यू. अगर आप सिंपल इकोनॉमिक्स में टर्म में बोलूंगा, वैल्यू इज इक्वल टू बेनिफिट्स माइनस कॉस्ट. The amount of benefit that you stag on minus the numerical cost is the value that you create. The more and more value that you benefits that you create, the cost looks very smaller to that. So you create that value. India is a value market. So इस country में जब Alto को बेचा गया था, Alto was never sold as a poor man's car. It was sold as की जिंदगी की पहली सवारी. So वो पहली सवारी की कहानी इतनी ज्यादा उसकी बेनिफिट्स बढ़ा देती है कि उसकी कॉस्ट उसके सामने बहुत छोटा लगता है. बिकॉज वी कम समथिंग कॉल्ड अ रैशनड इकोनॉमी. हम रैशनड इकोनॉमी में आते थे बिफोर द 1991. राइट नाउ वी आर इन अबंडेंस इकोनॉमी, राइट? अबंडेंस इकोनॉमी, राइट? तो जब रैशनड इकोनॉमी से आप अबंडेंस इकोनॉमी में आते हो, योर वैल्यूज आर इंटैक्ट. मिडिल क्लास, लोग बोलते हैं सेगमेंट है, सेगमेंट नहीं, मिडिल क्लास माइंडसेट है, right? Middle class mindset hai. Even if you see the biggest of the businessman loves to have his dosa from the decent joint, right? They live that life because middle class comes with a very strong mindset. And middle class की सबसे बड़ी बात होती है, since they have transitioned from a rationed economy to a hoarding economy to a abundance economy, the value system remains the same. इसलिए तो आप जब जाते हो धनिया के साथ, आप सब्जी के साथ धनिया आप हक से फ्री मांगते हो, आप सूखे पूरी फ्री मांगते हो. So we are a value seeker country, and anybody who creates a very fortified, I will not use the word justified, fortified value, we are very happy, right? And that's why in this country, if you see combos, thali system gets a quick buying in than a la carte, right?
True.
So ये जो value seeking की जो बात आपने करी, so how are basically, so legacy brands have always been doing that. Brands like Unilever, I'm guessing they've always been sort of building up this value of sorts. How do you think new age brands are doing it differently, or are they following the same philosophy? वो same ही चीज कर रहे हैं, but उसको खाली packaging different करके थोड़ा nimble बन के वैसे कर रहे हैं.
देखो, आई पुट इट दिस वे, धंधा ना सेम तरीके से होता है, बिजनेस इज बिजनेस, उसके आयाम बदल रहे हैं. हाउ टू डू द बिजनेस हैज बीन चेंज. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ यू आस्क मी D2C, आई विल पुट इट, वो एक शॉप है, it's a one way of distributing products, but it's for my convenience, I'm getting it and all, that is fine. I'll give you a good example of my another client, Aroma Care. Okay, that's a new age client, yes, but the people behind it, they are strong business guys, comes from strong Marwadi background, comes from strong business background, all the distribution and other shops and all that, those kind of a background, but they came into new age business. How? They said, okay, we are coming into a personal care segment and we'll sell it through D2C. So it is not about, that new age businesses are doing something, they are selling it differently. But finally, if you want to do a business, I'm repeating that,
fundamentals.
you need to have, you need to think about the clarity, and you need to think about how I'm going to be profitable. Why we love that client, I'll tell you. They are very clear. They are saying, okay, we are a new age, we are getting into a startup mode. Yes, we are getting into a startup mode. We are into personal care. Yes, we are into personal care. We are going to sell it through D2C. Yes, we are going to sell it through D2C. But finally, we are not going to make a loss, because finally it's a business for me. That's the biggest thing we need to understand. They said, we want to be a profitable company. I will become thousands of crores or hundreds of crores after 4, 5, 10 years. I'm fine with it. But from day one, I should be profitable. That is business. If I'm losing my money and I'm saying I'm doing a business with the loss, and I'm saying, okay, I'm running a startup. Sorry, but that's not a business sense. Okay. They are so strong. They are selling offline also. Why we respect them, they understand, offline model is not going to die, and they said, I want to be strong in my offline model as well, and I want to be strong in my online model as well. They are, they are charting a great balance between both of them. They are not giving any discount, mark my words, they are not doing any discount on their site. Why? Because I don't want to disturb my offline guys as well. So they are very ethical. They know how to do a danda. And they know that, if I'm giving the way Andy said, if I'm giving a value to my customer, I don't need to give any discount to them. I'll slowly build my brand and I'll slowly, increase my profitability. I'm fine with it. But I'm not going to give any discount to my customers, because tomorrow if I'll stop giving discount, I will be out of the business. So when I'm giving my discount in the new age, there is nothing wrong in new age. We are ready to accept the new age things. We'll have to accept the way of doing business in a new age way. But new age way, we think that only giving discount is the idea. No, you need to understand, you need to have a clarity on the business. You need to understand how I want to business, what is my product, what is my brand story, and what kind of a value addition I'm giving it to my client, which is going to stay with me for a longer and is not going to be, fly by night customer for me. And that's where you create the repeat purchase also, and you create your entire funnel to sell your brand.
So आपने जैसे ये बोला, तो इससे एक मेरे को एक दिमाग में बात है कि आपने ये बोला कि ये जो वापस ले लेना का हो गया, and a lot of brands have done, like for example Vinny Cosmetics की हम ऑफलाइन हमने एक बात करी थी कि उसने जैसे बिल्ड किया है वो चीज.
I think that is a great example. They are masters in creating brand and marketing. They are great examples.
Dermicool हो गया, Fog हो गया, इतना सुंदर चल गया, उसने तो मार्केट शेयर ही खा लिया एक्स का. एक्स ने कितनी ब्रांड ने कितने पैसे खर्च किए. बट सबसे स्ट्रॉन्ग जो मेरे को बात समझ में है कि एक प्रॉमिस होती है कि अगर आपका प्रोडक्ट खराब है, आपका डीलर को पता है कि आप बोलोगे कि भाई मेरा ये नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है, आप वापस ले लेते हो. सो ये जो प्रॉमिस का क्या सिग्निफिकेंस है, और जब प्रॉमिस टूट जाती है तो वो क्राइसिस जो आता है, तो उसके साथ ब्रांड को कैसे डील करना चाहिए, क्या करना चाहिए? Because I think a lot of businesses face that problem as well.
I think it's a brilliant question, Nishant. See, brand, बड़े-बड़े बात लिखते हैं, our value system and promises. How do you stay true to a promise? Again, it's a human behavior, consumer behavior. It's nothing to do with a B2B or a B2C or a D2C or this thing. Even in your life, you make a promise to your daughter, you make a promise to your wife, you have to fulfill that, right? If you don't fulfill that, they stop believing in you, right? And अब जब 140 उसमें आप BCG का मैट्रिक्स लगा दो, 87 करोड़ पीपल जो इलीट एंड एस्पायर है, जो परचेज लेवल पे है, उसको जब प्रॉमिस करते हो और प्रॉमिस को फुलफिल नहीं करते हो, तब प्रॉब्लम होता है. वन brand or almost sub category called created called native by urban company, 2 साल तक कोई सर्विसिंग नहीं की. What was the need? People are fed up कि 6 महीने में कैंडल चेंज करना पड़ता है फिल्टर में, and you get all sorts of excuses. People don't come, turn up, and water is the most important part of your life. And somebody comes and sees into a need gap and delivers a promise कि 2 साल तक कुछ नहीं करना पड़ेगा. I think this is a great promise. This is a great brand, and if they deliver that, I think you're home, right? So brand has to deliver that promises. When you don't keep those promises, crisis happen. The difference between, if you see the business happens, what you sell versus what people buy, what you promise versus what people keep on buying. The less the distance, the better is the repeat purchase, the better is the bottom line of the business. The more it becomes business started incurring loss, तब आप कैंपेन चला लो, कुछ भी चला लो, प्राइसिंग कम कर दो, कुछ नहीं होगा. You have to deliver, right? So crisis happens and crisis flares up. उसका दूसरा पार्ट होता है, once you don't deliver. Second, when it comes in the time of crisis, you put up a strong face and you say, you say कि I'm sorry, not because I am sorry, because शायद आपने समझा नहीं होगा. बेवकूफ कौन बना?
Internationally, we've also seen KFC doing that whole thing where the chicken
Yeah.
जो आया नहीं था, फिर वो उन्होंने full page ad निकाली सबके लिए, सबको sorry बोला. I think humility is very important for a brand to a certain degree as well. That ठीक है यार, हमसे गलती हो गई. So अगर आपकी brand promise नहीं, from what I could take out, आपकी brand promise अगर नहीं fulfill हो पा रही है और आपसे गलती हो रही है, आप वो गलती मारो और गलती को सुधारो. उसमें अगर आपको थोड़ा विट ह्यूमर कैसे आपको करना है वो आप देख सकते हो, लेकिन इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट टू बी एज हम्बल एज पॉसिबल एट that
As
point
human
of
as possible.
as human as possible as at that point of time, because only then like people will be like चलो ठीक है, इनसे एक बार गलती हो गई, अब हमको हम एक चांस शायद दे सकते हैं.
And this country, people of this country are ready to forgive and forget.
That is true. That is.
But don't take it for granted. Don't take it for granted.
So, Sam, I just want to ask you one thing. What I wanted to ask you is, so how do you define that the entire, if you have to like put a nice ribbon and tie around the whole thing, that branding and business, जैसे आपने एक शुरुआत में ही एक बहुत strong statement दिया था कि ब्रांडिंग के बिना बिजनेस अधूरा ही एक तरह से, मतलब फेल करने को ऑलमोस्ट निश्चित है, बड़ा होने में बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा. तो एक सुंदर सा रिबन अगर आप एक टाई करके बता दो तो फिर बहुत मजा आएगा.
See, I'm getting one quote from Mr. Landor, okay, who was a great designer and in the communication business. He said, products are made in factory, brand is made in consumer's mind. When we are talking about the values and about the brand value and all, simple है. If I don't want to, when say brand बनचे business बच्चे, when you create a brand also ना, you can हक से ना ask for a premium also. People don't understand this. People think when I do a branding, मतलब एक advertising. The way Andy in the beginning he said, people think branding is equal to advertising. No, branding is not about the logo. Branding is not about your stationery. That is what you do. Whereas brand is, how to do and why to do it. That is giving this answer for these two questions. तो ये दो आंसर हम लोग दे देंगे ना, तो ब्रांड आगे जाएगा. और ब्रांड आगे जाएगा तो हमें एडवर्टाइजिंग में पैसा खर्चा करना है. दैट इज अप टू मी. But how I'm building a brand, that I have to decide. There are ways to build a brand. You can save money and you can build a brand. You can spend less and you can build the brand. So उसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि ब्रांड आया तो मुझे तो खर्चा करना पड़ेगा. That is the mindset. See, it's not that लोगों को ब्रांड बनाना नहीं है, लोगों को पैसा नहीं खर्चा करना है. But they don't understand in today's time. See, I'm again and again harping on this point. In today's time, we are living in an era. We have a global audience. We have a global reach. And we have a global know-how. आज हमारा एक ब्रांड बताओ जो ग्लोबली नाम लेके आगे बढ़ा है. We don't have a single brand which is a global or national brand in the population of 140 crore. We have richest millionaires in the list or a billionaires in the list, which are richest guys from the country. But can we say that we have a global brand? We don't have. We don't own one. All your Western business guys, वो एक छोटा दुकान भी खोलेगा ना, तो भी वो ब्रांडिंग को इंपॉर्टेंस देगा, बिकॉज दैट इज देयर बिलीफ that is in their behavior as a businessman, and they strongly believe that without brand business doesn't happen. ये मेंटालिटी हमें बिल्ड करनी है. तो हम लोग हमारे से डिस्काउंट मांगना भी बंद कर देंगे. वी कैन चार्ज प्रीमियम ऑल्सो, एंड वी कैन बिल्ड आर बिजनेस फॉर अ लॉन्गर टाइम. बिकॉज जब मैं माइंड शेयर और हार्ट शेयर खरीदता हूं ना, तभी मेरा वॉलेट शेयर अपने आप बढ़ता है. This is what we need people to understand, that brand will give you mind share and a heart share, and that will result into your wallet share.
One question: how does the Rangman Show become a brand? just throwing it out there.
Satyameva Jayate show tha. The second season they had a very good positioning. जब दिल पे बात लगेगी तब बात बनेगी. And if you remember the communication, Amir Khan was standing on the balcony and he was looking at the traffic light, and there was no cops there, so people are breaking the traffic light. तो बोलते ये नहीं हमारा शो देखेगा, ये नहीं हमारा शो देखेगा, ये नहीं देखेगा. And a biker comes and stands there. बोले ये हमारा शो देखेगा. So जब दिल पे बात लगेगी बात बनेगी. So for Rangman, what I feel, it has to hit the head and the heart in unison. दिमाग से दिल तक और दिल से दिमाग तक. So you have to be relevant, as Sabir said. So जब दिल पे लगेगी तो दिमाग काम करेगा, जब दिमाग पे लगेगी दिल धड़कना चालू करेगा.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दोज वर्ड्स ऑफ विजडम. सो मेरे को हार्ट शेयर और माइंड शेयर दोनों करना पड़ेगा, तो मेरे को व्यू शेयर मिलेगा. So that was a very enlightening chat on the Rangman Show. Thank you so much, Sam and Andy, for coming. Please give a shout out to our viewers as well, so that they can watch us as well and watch this episode and share it with their people who want to do business far and wide, because this is a very enlightening discussion that we had.
I think thanks to you for calling us, giving us the opportunity to come to your show and talking to your audience. We are looking into new way of doing business, because what we feel, the fundamentals never change. The more and more the world becomes complex, the more and more we need to go back to the roots and fundamentals.
Yeah, I think he said it. So like, share, forward this entire episode, and contact us if you need us.
We will be sharing Sam and Andy's links, LinkedIn links at least, and Instagram perhaps, in the description below. So if you want to reach out to them, please reach out to them. They're extremely helpful and they understand business branding like the back of their hands. So thank you so much for watching this episode. See you next time.